This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is on creating an out-of-office message in Outlook. The Outlook application gives users with an Exchange account the ability to easily set up an out-of-office message. While Outlook can be used with any type of email service, it was designed to be used with an Exchange account. Many businesses and schools provide Exchange accounts. Additionally, some personal email services such as Outlook.com and Live.com also provide Exchange accounts. You can determine if the account is an Exchange account by looking in the lower right-hand corner of the Outlook screen while the email account is selected. If the status displays connected to Microsoft Exchange, then the email account is an Exchange account. If you have an Exchange account, click on the File tab. The application should default to the Info page. Click the Automatic Replies button. Click the Send Automatic Replies radio button. To select a time frame, select the checkbox for Only Send during this time range. Select the beginning date and time. Also, select the end date and time. For Exchange accounts associated with a workplace or school, the Inside My Organization and Outside My Organizations are available. Input the message you would like to send to people inside your organization. Click on the Outside My Organization tab to set up a message for people sending emails from a domain not owned by your organization. Click the checkbox for Auto Reply to people outside my organization to turn the feature on. You have the option of replying to any email addresses on your contact list or anyone who sends you an email. Input the message you would like to send people outside of your organization. Click OK when you are finished. You have now set an out-of-office message. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.